What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our rear bumpers for you guys. And this is VZ102489 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website with me. Now, this is one of our OEM style rear bumper replacements for the Dodge Challenger fitting 2015 to 2023 models. Now, keep that in mind when placing an order for this, because say you have a 2024 or a 2025, this will not fit those latest models, but everything from 2008 to 2023 should fit, or 2015 to 2023 should fit. Now that we have the rear bumper unpackaged, we can go ahead and see where the license plate would go. And then we could also see where the rear diffuser would go. And that's exactly right here. And it would go all the way underneath and to the underside of the bottom of the bumper. Now, these top slots right here with the circle holes, these are actually for your flasher indicators. And we do not include those with this rear bumper. So you want to keep your OEM ones, or if they're damaged, you want to go ahead and reorder those because we will not include them for install. So keep that in mind when making a purchase. But other than that, everything pretty much comes how it is. And it's a super easy install on the inside. You can see on each edge, we already have the pre-matched holes cut out for you guys. So you can go ahead and rivet the rear bumper in place, or install it however you like. You can bolt it in if you want to go ahead and have it removable as well. Now, you will also need your flasher indicators for each left and right side because we do not include those either. But we do already have the hole pre-cut out for you guys. So it's as simple as snapping it in and securing it in place for install. And this one does also have the control module box holder for your sensors. So if you do have the sensor compatible car, you can go ahead and mount your control module right here on both sides, and then go ahead and run your wiring everywhere else. And we do also have the tag light hole cut out for you guys. So you'll need your tag light, OEM tag light as well to install, because that will not be included either. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this rear bumper. And again, this is $24.89 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Other than that, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one.